If you're new to my channel, if you want to rank your websites or blog posts or monetize your blog or maybe build a custom AI workflow, you can simply go ahead over to my website, which the link will be in the description. Click on book a discovery call and you can book a one-on-one call with me for entirely free. In this video, I'm just going to show you how to steal your competitor SEO strategy using AI in 5 minutes, in less than 5 minutes maybe. So what you need to do is, I have written exactly what you need to do step by step. So first thing is, you just need to copy this workflow and nothing else. So step 1 is to find their sitemap. So if you simply go and hit your competitor website on Google or URL, okay, so let's just take this as a competitor. Now once you open the sitemap.xml or sitemap, iPhone index.xml, if you don't know where the sitemap is, you can simply put robots.txt instead of sitemap index.xml. I'm just going to show you. Now here you need to observe for only 2 main important pages, which is post sitemap, and if you go back, there's also a page sitemap. So what you want to do is go to these 2 pages. Either it's just going to be blog posts, which is a post sitemap.xml, and service pages or product pages or category pages. If your competitor is a Shopify, selling products online, then they might likely be having product pages. Now for SEO research, what I'm going to do is I'm mainly look at only post sitemap. Sometimes all the blog posts are written as a page, individual pages, so you can also go for this, but mainly we need to grab the blog posts which they are frequently writing and publishing inside their website. So once you got that, what you need to do is step 3, which is download the sitemap, whole sitemap, which means you can copy the information, whatever the blog post they have written, etc., etc., how they are writing. You can also go to the tools like sitemap downloader and download the entire sitemap of your competitor. And don't forget to download your own sitemap too, because we need to upload everything into the ChatGPT or Claude or DeepSeek, whatever AI tool, premium tool which you're using, which is going to be our step 4. Now you can use this simple prompt, which is, now keep in mind, you need to upload your own sitemap as well and your competitor sitemap as well. You have to include this prompt, so which says, analyze these sitemaps and tell me main topic clusters, content patterns, areas competitors dominate, content gaps they're missing, topics I should cover, opportunities my website is missing. Now it's just gonna be very useful if you pull the information, competitor information from the SEMrush or Ahrefs and upload the data into the AI tools while giving this prompt. Now step 5, which is going to be our final step, which is build an SEO roadmap and then ask AI to create 6-month SEO plan based on these findings and prioritize 1 high buyer intent topics, which is a transactional and intentional, low competition keywords which have keyword density very, very less, and then quick win pages, service pages. Now quick win pages is nothing but a topic pillar content, and then we finally include the content clusters to support our pillar topic content. Now once you do this, you're gonna see all your impressions and clicks coming through in action. Now all these things gonna get you impressions, but it's very important for you to write an engaging blog post and have some illustrations or images which can make the user spend more time on your blog page, so that it sends ranking signals to the Google and which improves your SEO score. So with that said, if you are not sure how to do it, what you can simply do is, I have a link to my website. The link will be in the description. You can book a call with me. You can book a one-on-one call with me. I'll help you out.